Thanks for visiting Recorded Future. We've developed a new way to search for specific events in the past, present, and the future. Using 3 boxes, what, who, where, and when, you can better understand the future of nearly anything. Start typing in the first box, the what box, to select an event. It can be anything, from corporate activity like a product release, or an environmental event like a natural disaster. In the Who Where box, start typing a name of any person, place, company, or group. Finally, in the third box, you can restrict your query to a specific time period. We'll select any time in the future. From these results, we can quickly see which companies are expanding into India and when. Click on any link to see the original source. Or click on the Chart tab to see a visual representation of the results. Recorded Future can also notify you or a friend of new findings using an email alert we call a future. To set up a future, just click the green dot next to the search button after entering your query. Then select how often you'd like to receive email updates. Now you can get started. The future will be here soon.